YouTube? It's your boy DB. Back out here in the shop. Ain't been getting a lot of content, waiting on parts once again. One of the projects, my brown truck, I got it at the over at Savage Whips. Getting rear suspension done, so I'm waiting on that. I should have it back about a week. Getting it, but in the meantime, I'm peeling around, do a little something different. Y'all know I got the tweed on the seats. I keep it a little old school. I know y'all remember these seat covers. I'm rocking these for right now until I decide what I want to do with the insides. So, but one thing, I don't have any cup holders in here. You know, this seat, I don't have any cup holders. So, bought these cup holders. It's got some little LED lights in it. Yeah, cool. I think I got these off Amazon, I believe. I can't remember. But I'm gonna try them out. It's got a little drain port too. Condensation. I don't know if I'm gonna hook that drain port up or not. Normally when I use a cup holder, put something in there, I take a napkin and put it in the bottom. It'll absorb a little condensation, whatever get down in there, you know. Got 2 wires on it for the LED lights. So we're gonna take these and put them in here. I got 2 of them. So I'll cut y'all back on once I get it mapped out and see how we gonna do this. Alrighty. What's up, YouTube? We back live in the flesh. Live in the flesh. Your boy DB back here. Bundle Customs. Show y'all how my cup holders turned out. Turned out pretty good. Check them out. Nice and solid. Nice and solid. I think I did pretty good with the measurements. Got some cup holders now. All right. Let me show you how these things work. So like I said, I wanted that classic look on the seat for now. So I went with a seat cover. It's tweed, I guess it's tweed seat cover. I also found this on Amazon. It was a pretty good buy. A door handle here. I gotta get all that finished up. But those are the cup holders. And we're gonna show y'all what these things do. So I turn the key on. good. Now tell me what y'all think about these cup holders. I think it's pretty slick. Just dressing up the old bench seat. This 86 C10. Well, YouTube, that's all I got for y'all today. We just did some little lightweight project. Got more to come. Hope y'all like the LED cup holders. Hey, Butler Customs, where we make life easy. Check y'all next time.